It is a fresh clash in the summer touring segment. On one side, we have the all-new Michelin Primacy 5, known across Europe for its balance of comfort, grip and endurance. On the other, we have the all-new Pirelli Cinturato C3, already turning heads with strong first testing. So, which one deserves your drive with? Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Primacy 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from our Volante's 2025 summer tire test. Starting with wet braking, the Cinturato C3 stops 0.2 meters earlier than the Primacy 5, giving it a 1% edge. In wet handling, it also laps 2.16 seconds faster, giving it a 2% advantage. How about aquaplaning? Both are virtually tied with just 0.4 km per hour difference. Overall in wet, small margins, but they all tilt towards Pirelli. On dry pavement, the Cinturato C3 also shines, braking 1.3 meters shorter than the Primacy 5. That's a 4% improvement. Clearly, the C3 is strong when grip matters most. Mileage wasn't directly tested here, but estimate shows that Primacy 5 lasts 59% longer than the Cinturato C3. That makes it a better choice for high mileage drivers focused on longevity. For those who prioritize silence, the Primacy 5 is 1.2 decibel quieter, giving it a 2% advantage in noise, delivering a more refined ride. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Primacy 5 leads again, with a rolling resistance coefficient value of 7 versus the 7.4 of the C3, giving it a 6% advantage in energy saving. But when it comes to price, things get really interesting. The Cinturato C3 is 11% cheaper than the Primacy 5. In summary, the Michelin Primacy 5 is your go-to for mileage, comfort, and efficiency. But if you are looking for a dynamic performer at a lower price, the Pirelli Cinturato C3 excels in wet and dry performances, giving you a serious bang for your buck.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.